Best deals. 1. Wood chopping board. Crafted from premium teak wood, known for its durability, strength, and natural resistance to moisture and bacteria. Designed specifically for kitchen use, our teak wood chopping boards provide a sturdy and reliable surface for all your chopping, slicing, and dicing needs. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Kitchen mat. Easily cut to fit various drawer and shelf sizes. Ideal for shelf, drawer, kitchen table, bathroom and fridge. Textured surface prevents items from skidding. Attractive design enhances the visual appeal of storage spaces. Waterproof and easy to clean, shields surfaces from spills and stains, easy wipe clean maintenance, has always aimed to offer quality in terms of design and functionality. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Egg holder. The bottom of our egg holder for refrigerator has a certain inclination angle. After taking the outer egg, the inner egg will automatically roll to the mouth of the box. Each egg organizer for refrigerator has bayonets, which can be stacked multiple times without slipping, making full use of the refrigerator space, and easy to open to load eggs, easy to clean. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Microwave cover. This microwave splatter cover can only be used in microwave mode, and it is forbidden to use the grill, light wave, combination, or hot air convection mode. The temperature does not exceed 392, and the heating time does not exceed 4 minutes. Recommends hand washing only. The microwave cover for food with handle design allows for easy picking up and placing of the cover in the microwave, making it convenient for you during the heating and cooking process. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Wire egg whisk. Set is made of high-quality durable stainless steel and use highly polished processing method to bring the dual rust resistance protection of stainless steel. Ergonomically designed for excellent balance and control for a difference you can really feel in the hand. Light in weight and the stainless steel ends allow easy hanging on any hook in your kitchen. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Sink brush. Can also be used on kitchen tiles, wash basins, and utensils. Free refill inside this pack, specially designed to reach nook and corners of your sink. Refillable head powered with stain cutting power. Ergonomic handle, easy to hold and use. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Chopper. Large break-resistant container with rubber grip base which holds the device firmly in place. Fastest, safest and easiest way to chop or dice fruits and vegetables. Not dishwasher safe. Other features: easy to use, clean and store, hand-operated, no electricity needed. The container is break-resistant. Extra sharp stainless steel blades, advanced push-to-clean button which ensures easy and hygienic cleaning. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Soap dispenser. Easy, mess-free soap dispensing with a single press. Keeps your sink area neat and organized. Drains water and keeps sponge clean and dry. Sleek BPA-free design fits any decor. Great for kitchen sink, bathroom, or utility room. Wide opening for quick and spill-free refills. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Yogurt filter. Easily prepare thick, smooth hung curd, Greek yogurt, and curd yogurt with our 1100 ml yogurt filter strainer. Perfect for healthy snacks, dips, and spreads right from your kitchen. Equipped with 304 stainless steel fine mesh, this hung curd maker ensures effective waste separation, delivering smooth, lump-free results for curd, dahi, and even cheese. Features an airtight lid with a built-in silicone seal and adjustable vent. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Peeler. Made of stainless steel which is corrosion resistant, won't release any harmful substances. It's easy to wash, won't breed bacteria and durable. Peeler has a certain degree of curvature, keeps the contact distance between hand and fruits and vegetables, that keep the safety for hand. Both right and left hands can be operated, comfortable to grasp. Double stainless steel blades maintain sharpness and perfect ergonomic synergy, allowing you to remove any rough peel effortlessly. No need to press hard to the sawtooth blade, you can cut out even and perfect pieces, won't destroy the integrity of the flesh, keep enough ingredients for you. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Baking mat. Non-stick baking mat can also be doubled as a work surface protector or a working pad. The non-stick silicone baking mat is made of flexible silicone, which is non-stick, easy to clean, and non-absorbent. Rolling mat can be easily rolled and stored conveniently when not in use. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Salad dressing maker. To emulsify dressings in seconds. Supremely easy to use, a handheld automatic mixing unit with detachable blade and soft touch button. Ideal for blending sauces, dressings, dips. Easy preservation, its airtight and leak-proof seal makes it possible to keep your dressings fresh for use multiple times. FDA-approved durable plastic. Clear markings, measurement in milliliter and oz along with 4 classic dressing recipes imprinted on the carafe. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Egg holder drawer. This 60 egg holder is the perfect egg storage solution for your kitchen. Use it as an egg box, egg container, or egg carrier. The egg organizer for fridge ensures eggs are safe, secure, and easily accessible. It's designed as an egg storage box for the fridge. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Storage basket. Smooth rolling wheels allow easy movement, making the storage basket ideal for organizing kitchens, bathrooms, and cabinets. Perfect for toys, makeup, kitchen utensils, spices, fruits, in homes, offices, and dorms. Compact yet spacious design fits perfectly under sinks. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Trivet mat. This sunflower coaster is made of soft and flexible silicone. Can protect your beloved dining table, kitchen countertops from damage and stains from hot water, coffee and tea. It also eliminates any sound when you put down your glass or mug, helping to perfectly avoid scratches on your table. These silicone drink coasters have a smooth surface to keep moisture and stains from getting trapped. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Hooks. Do not need to worry about sticky hooks will fall off or rust after suffering the water sticker hooks for walls. Hooks for wall without drilling suitable surfaces wood, marble, ceramic tile, glass, plastic, stainless steel or metal. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Flour cookie cutters. Made of food-grade plastic material, smooth surface, easy to clean, make sure the health of you and family, and all the flour cookie cutters can be reusable and durable, no fading, no deformation, long time service. The cookie cutter has a very cute shape, and the cookie stamp has exquisite details, which can easily make biscuits with perfect shape and details, making your cookies and desserts look more delicious and unique. Product link is given in the 17th link.